Samsung might be about to change the smartphone game once again. The upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra, expected to launch in about 2.5 months, could introduce a feature we've never seen before on any phone. But before we get into that, it's worth mentioning that Samsung's next big event on October 21st won't be for the S26 Ultra. That event is focused on something completely different and possibly just as exciting. Now, let's talk about what's making the Galaxy S26 Ultra so special. According to leaks from the One UI 8.5 beta, Samsung is testing a new feature called the Privacy Display. It works like a built-in privacy screen, blocking people from seeing your display from the sides. So if you're using your phone on a plane, train, or in class, others won't be able to peek at your messages or notifications. The best part? It doesn't darken the display or reduce touch sensitivity like traditional privacy protectors. It's a smart software and hardware combo that could completely change how we think about screen privacy. If this feature makes it to the final model, it could easily be one of Samsung's most practical innovations yet. But that's not all. The display itself is also getting a major upgrade. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to use Samsung's new code technology, which stands for color on encapsulation. This display material improves color accuracy, boosts brightness, and makes the screen more power efficient and thinner at the same time. Interestingly, Apple is expected to use the same tech in its iPhone 20 next year, but Samsung seems ready to roll it out first. Combine that with a new anti-reflective coating and the privacy feature, and the S26 Ultra might have the most advanced display ever put on a smartphone. There's also talk about a new orange color option for the S26 Ultra. Some people think Samsung is copying Apple since the iPhone 17 Pro just launched in cosmic orange, but in reality, Samsung offered orange phones years before Apple did. It might just be bringing the color back to match its modern design language. We don't know yet which colors will make it to the final lineup, but an orange S26 Ultra would definitely stand out. Now, about that October 21st event, Samsung has something big planned there too. The highlight will be the Galaxy XR headset, a new mixed reality device designed to compete with Apple's Vision Pro. It may not be as powerful as Apple's version, but it's expected to be far more affordable while still offering great performance. The headset is being built in collaboration with Google and Qualcomm, which means we could see deep Android and AI integration. This could be Samsung's way of making immersive technology more accessible to everyone. That's not the only futuristic device Samsung has in the works. The company is reportedly developing its first trifold smartphone, the Galaxy G Fold. Unlike traditional foldables, this phone can fold twice, creating 3 display sections. When fully unfolded, it could have a huge 10-inch screen, while half-folded it becomes a compact 6.5-inch device. It's expected to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, the same powerful chip rumored for the S26 Ultra. Samsung plans to launch it globally this time, including in the US, and early estimates suggest the price could be around $3,000. It's expensive, but considering how new and complex this design is, that's not the surprising dot between the Galaxy S26 Ultra with its built-in privacy screen and next-gen display, the affordable XR headset, and the ambitious trifold Galaxy G Fold. Samsung seems determined to make 2025 its most innovative year yet. It's clear the company isn't just competing with Apple anymore. It's trying to set a new standard for the entire tech industry. So, what do you think about Samsung's upcoming devices? Would you be interested in a phone that hides your screen from side views, or a massive trifold phone that turns into a tablet? And would you consider trying Samsung's new XR headset? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Samsung news and leaks coming soon.